What's going on, people, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Tayo. Again, I go by the name of Tayo Trades, and today we're going to deep dive and break down the gold trade we took today. Today is February the 19th. Again, this is the first trade of the week. Monday was a bank holiday, and Tuesday there was no setup for me. So yeah, if you're ready, guys, let's dive straight into it. So as you can see here, this was the trade breakdown. So if I look at the 4 hourly, to me, gold again is looking very bullish. Loads of breaks to the upside. So yeah, my bias is I'm looking for buys. Okay, so we'll drop down to the hourly now. So let's just see what happened during London session. So again, as you can kind of see during London session, I mean, we have this demand zone again, or this might have been yesterday actually, but our price is still kind of looking bullish. There's a break here to the upside and a break also here to the upside too. So again, I'm very confident that price will continue to rally. What we do now is I'm going to drop to the lower time frames, to the 5 and 15 minute. So yeah, as you can see here, my time of entry is usually just coming towards New York session. So around 8:30 a.m. What I'll do is I'll wait for a liquidity grab after 8:30 a.m. Okay, so I'm just looking for some sort of confluence that price is internally bullish. So right now, as we can see, so once London session happened, you know, we pumping like crazy, obviously broke all-time highs, and then we had that sell-off. Whenever a price kind of breaks all-time highs, I usually expect like a little retracement. And this was kind of that retracement. This kind of massive push down, for me, this is one big liquidity grab. I would have been concerned if it kind of broke this order block level. However, as you can see, there's a loads of wick rejections. So this 1 hourly order block is holding up very much, like it's a strong demand zone. Okay, so you can see price is trying to break this level, but it's a good level of support. It's not breaking. So loads of wick rejections, which is a great sign. This is kind of what I'm looking for if I'm looking for a buy to rally onwards. All right, so what we'll do now, approaching 8:30 now, I'm just looking for confluences to see if there's like an entry. So as you can see here, price broke to the upside, so that was good. However, this is still a bit early. I need liquidity to grab after 1:30. So again, as you can see here, once it's 1:30, you can see price comes down, grabs liquidity below this level here, even pushes back up and still wipes out all these early buyers, grabs the swing low liquidity. So if you go to the hourly, you can see that price grab liquidity on the hourly. So again, this hourly candle here, price swept liquidity. Obviously, you're respecting this 1 hour demand zone. It's still not breaking and closing below this level. So for me, a buy was a high probability setup. So what we'll do is, obviously, once price is kind of like, it broke up to the upside once, came back down, swept liquidity once more, still respecting this demand zone, I'm now looking for my entry. I'm looking for price now to give me some form of confirmation for it to rally on, okay? And this was this kind of confirmation here. So as you can see, if we zoom in, it's very subtle, but you see this small little doji candle here. That was my break to the upside. Then we had a little pullback. And again, on this break, this was why I entered my position, okay? So now I was pretty confident here that price would rally onwards. My stop loss was around 30 pips. So I think it was around here. I think 30 pips was there, or maybe a little bit lower. But yeah, basically, because of spread, my entry was here. But ideally, I would have wanted to enter like here. So as soon as price kind of closed doji, like, and there was massive rejection, I was like, cool, I'm going to enter it here. So I took this entry. Again, ideally, I was looking for a 1 to 2. So this would have been a 1 to 2. As you can see, so because we swept that swing low liquidity, I was fairly confident price will rally onwards. And it had that massive push up. We had a good reaction. However, as I was approaching TP, I think I was very close to a 1 to 2. I was seeing price reverse. So as soon as I saw that reversal happen, I think I got out around here for like a 1 to 1. So yeah, guys, or 1 to 1.2, I think it was like 1.2, like here. Yeah. So I'll risk only $50 on this trade because I hate trading gold, guys. I only risk 0.5% for a 0.7% W, which I'll take. I mean, it was a win at the end of the day. But as soon as I saw that pullback, I see that price wasn't continuing to rally. I was like, you know what? I dislike the choppiness of gold anyways, and yeah, for that reason, because it already pumped up so much during London, I was like, and it came down quite a lot here. I was like, you know what, just take what you can get. So cut the trade short. I'm happy with it. I secured some profit. You know, the aim of the game, guys, is just to manage your risk and capital. And like I said, now that this is a live funded account, any little profit is great. Like, I'm not on the challenge phase. I don't need to make 10, 15%. You know, I'm being conservative. I'll be happy with getting 2 to 5% this month, you know. So that was my win of the day. All of these small little wins will add up. Again, I didn't want to risk it going further because, as you can see, price reversed. I would have got taken out at break even anyways, because usually once I get to a point where price is past 1-to-1, I put my stops at break even. And then yeah, as you can see, if I let it carry on or let it try to push the TP2 for a 1-to-2, price would have reversed and took me out. Okay, again, it's just one of those days. Price didn't want to continue to rally on. I feel like I managed the trade well. In terms of emotions, I had no real emotion. I was willing to lose the $50 that I risked. But yeah, that was kind of the gold trade, guys. Again, it probably will continue to pump up. However, I do not like this choppiness of gold. Like, I really like it when price just goes one way. I'm like a breakout trader in a way, so I just like it when price literally just goes my way fully to TP. So is what it is. We'll take the W. 0.7 win, 0.7% win today. But yeah, that was the trade breakdown. Again, Monday was bank holiday, so I didn't trade on Monday. Tuesday, I didn't really see a setup. I was looking at US 30, and for me, price was just ranging and consolidating. So if we go to US 30, I'll show you. So the broker I use is Blackball. So you go to the US 30. As you can see, if I go to like the hourly and stuff, I mean, yeah, price, it's not really looking that good. It's looking quite choppy. Like, I mean, we're creating lower highs. So you could say technically we're kind of bearish, externally bearish, especially on the 1 hourly. Break a structure here to the downside, break to the downside there. We had, again, like this kind of break up, but again, just coming back down. So again, it's really choppy. I don't like this. I love it when price is literally going one way like this. Like, look, this is kind of what I'm after, when price is kind of doing this, you know, just going one way. So yeah, for now, no raw setup on US 30. If we go to the 4 hourly, yeah, I mean, do you know what I mean? It's just prices. This is what price has been doing the last few days. It's a very tight range. I don't really like it. I like it when price is literally like doing this, you know. That's kind of what I'm after. And that's where I see a lot of my wins be bigger, like higher risk to reward as well and stuff like that. So yeah, for the time being, I guess just got to be patient, man. I'm telling you now, guys, patience pays. If we go back to gold, it's not the ideal perfect win, but like I said, take what you can get in the market. As you can see, I was I mean, this is a higher probability setup to me than what US 30 was. Clearly, we're in this bullish trend and structure. And yeah, that was the trade for today. What else is there to say, really? I think ideally in future, I would want to hold to like TP2, obviously. But I feel like I think I've done well. Like getting out where I could. I mean, I could have waited a bit more to really maximize the trade to get to like a 1.8, but it is what it is. When I saw that kind of reversal, I was like, you know, I just took some profits. So it is what it is. For now, price seems like it's just consolidating. So at least we came away with something. But yeah, that was the trade breakdown for today, guys. I'll keep you updated with this funded account. Again, this is a 10k live FTMO funded account. I managed to pass it, I think, like 2 weeks ago. Again, did the 50%. So I've got one funded account finally. But again, I'm still learning. So I'm just taking it slow. I think come end of the month, I'm going to see what my finances are like. I'll probably buy like a few challenges, maybe like 200k accounts, and just try and pass them quite aggressively. Well, I'll try do one quite aggressive and then one more conservative. And then, yeah, I think I'll be happy with like losing that. If I lose, I lose, you know. And then that's how I'm trying to manage it, guys. And just over time, just try and build capital. So road to 1 milli, let's get it. Hope you guys enjoyed the trade breakdown. That was it for today. If you like this content, comment, like, share, most importantly, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, let me know what you want to hear as well. Like, do you like these trade breakdown analysis? Do you want to like hear my strategy more in detail? Like, what do you want from me? Like, you know what I mean? I'm not an educator. I'm still learning myself. So all I can do is I'm just using this as almost like my trading journal. So yeah, I'm just putting myself out there. Hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.